Hello Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 8th of May. Virgo, let's see what is in your reading, because it's just a vibe all the time. Getting something about your cousin. Okay, me getting your cousin is posing as your uncle. He's not your uncle, he's your cousin. He is not your uncle. He is your cousin. And somebody's posing as a cousin, they must say, yeah, we're cousins. No, the fuck we're not. Stop telling people that. CIA. Yeah, we're not related to them. Not that way. We're not related. They might call themselves uncle or cousin. Do your research. We don't related. Somebody might even say it's your sister. It's not my sister. Do the research. Beginning, you're not related to nobody. This could be a man. A man is added on your bank account. Beginning, this man who the bank approve to be on this big bank account. This man is claiming to be a father. He is not your father. The man is claiming to adopt you. He never adopt you. Am I getting, no, it's soon gone to, yeah man, I'm a cousin. No bitch, I don't know you. Taurus, am I getting something about a Taurus? And when saying that this person and the Taurus is sisters, they're not. Them don't know each other. Them saying that this Taurus is them uncle, them niece, them nephew. We're not related. We have religious agenda. So now you're this religious man who don't like you and act like him can dictate your life because you're not religious. I tell the government, say, him is your cousin, him is your uncle, him is your next of kin. You don't know this man. You never talk to this, you never even frequent this man when you're in your country. Mercury. Or it could be a religious man. I don't know why I say, but I'm getting you don't know him, you're not related to him. And I'm not sure why are you being obligated to even answer to these people? You don't know them. We have Mars, and we also have Ophiuchus. I fucking hate home first so fucking much. Sorry, I'm coming off a Libra's reading. My anger for them is still high. I still would wipe them out clean though, I won't lie. Any fucking ways. I am just developing the most hateful ass fucking attitude towards evil people. You should know that. So when I talk about hate, I'm not talking about my hate as it relates to everybody. I talk about my hate as it relates to abusers. Like my hate, I get turned up where more say, you know, if you break the law or if you abuse or if you take advantage of vulnerable people, you can be sentenced to hanging. Like that's how I feel. Because I know a few home first people that I would definitely sentence to get hung. Yeah, anyways, and now 8 of Cups. 8 of Cups is hiking, something in the hills. The 8 of Cups could also be abandonment, okay? We have the Queen of Wands. I'm getting something about an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius woman. I'm getting she gonna resign or she gonna walk away from her job, or something about this woman is missing. We have the Emperor. Yeah, our boss. So I'll come to her and ask her what the fuck happened, and she can't explain because she a thief. So I'm getting she just gonna walk off the job in her tears. I'm getting is an Aries, Leo, Sagittarius woman. I don't know what the fuck she do or which lie she tell, but I'm getting a year worker, Judgment. And we also have the 3 of, yeah, something about a Gemini. I'm getting your worker and one Gemini in some type of financial exchange. And you as the boss don't know what the fuck is happening, but you hear about your company. I'm getting the Aries, Leo, Sagittarius bitch who greedy. She had up dealings with this man who look like him into recruiting women. So I'm getting, you might find out say your employees into trafficking. Who are the CEO for Blood Clot Home first? Let me look. I'm sorry, I just came off a Libra's reading and I'm still upset. Patricia Mueller, your blood clot employee is a fucking thief, and I hope your blood clot entity burn to the fucking ground. Jamie Facilio, Director of Development and Homeless Initiatives. Yeah, your blood clot staff at 702 and 5800, you're fucking thieves. Who the fuck else? Caroline Ferris, Director of Human Resources. Ma'am, your blood clot company need to go under. Justin Ryan, Director of Property Management and Operations. Your blood clot company don't know about operations, but they do know about trafficking and abuse. Who the fuck else? Adi Body, Director of Finance. Your blood clot workers are thieves. Dana Hanson, Director of Fundraising and Development. Your blood clot worker them are abusive. Who the fuck else? Jessica, what is this? Yutha Yak Umaran, Interim Director of Housing and Shelters. Your blood clot staff member are fuckers. Who else? Nicole Small, Assistant Director of Property Manager Operations. Your blood clot company for shut down. The whole on for had no blood clot face for what type of embarrassment on the blood clot employees putting it through. Lacey Kerr, Assistant Director of Client Services. One for blood clot shame. Patricia, Jamie, Caroline, Justin, Adi, Gary, Dana, Michael, Jessica, Nicole for blood clot shame on the company. I open a blood clot company go under for the fucking abuse and the theft when a blood clot employee. When the employees brought shame, I don't know. Let's continue the fucking reading. Your employees are suicidal, pushing thieves. The whole of blood clot, on for wear blood clot, homeless, COVID-19 mask for one blood clot employees that on the company. I hope the government withdraw everything from your company, and I hope when the company gets shut the fuck down for cruelty to not only me but other people who I saw that was there. The whole of blood clot on the wear COVID-19 mask on the fucking company is a shame. I would be so fucking embarrassed for work for your blood clot. Mother Community Center is doing better than you. You know that? You know that? Home first or mother? Home first or mother? Mother is looking really good right now. You know that? Mother Community Center in Decanary Avenue, they're looking great right now compared to blood clot home first. Look how much blood clot staff member you have and a whole heap of shit go on the blood clot building. Nastiness, cult activity, rape and blood clot fighting, trafficking a go on by a blood clot staff member. The whole of us should have had no blood clot face. And if I fucking lucky me not in a blood clot social system, home first when I get shut the fuck down. The whole of for blood clot shame for one of the dirty blood clot employees though. I still fucking, I just do liberate them, I'm still blood clot, I still feel the blood clot, it's still biting me wrong. You got your blood clot, teeth in fucking staff member. The whole of, oh no, look on the big on the blood clot company website, I go on like when I blood clot help people. No the fuck on the not. Patricia Miller, you're not help no blood clot body, ma'am. James Facio, your blood clot workers not help nobody. Caroline Ferris, your blood clot workers are thieves. Justin Ryan, your blood clot staff member organize fights and looting and brawling in the blood clot shelter. Adi, Director of Blood Clot Finance, every blood clot there, the home first workers, where them spend the money upon the blood clot people them spend the money upon food and Krispy Kreme donut and gone in the office got blood clot lock up. Dana Hanson, Director of Fundraising and Development. Your blood clot workers are thieves. Only for the blood, everyone I own, every blood clot. Patricia, Jamie, Caroline, Justin, Adi, Gary, Dana, Michael, Jessica, Nicole, Lacey, only for blood clot shame and the blood clot organization the claim on the represent. When it's an abomination and a blood clot disappointment to homeless people and the shelter system everywhere. When on the blood clot staff. And if a blood clot pray, say me not fuck a man who give me power. Pray, pray. Blood clot pray to the God where you woman not believe in. Cause if I ever, believe me, you think corruption bad? Nothing better than somebody who cannot be corrupted. Let me tell you that. You're not afraid of corruption. You're afraid of the soul what can't be corrupted. 8 of Cups is clarified by the 9 of Cups. Yeah, 8 to 9. 8 to blood clot 9. You dirty blood clot workers. And the top of the blood clot food chain, me see is Patricia Muller. You dirty blood clot workers. Them forget burn up in a blood clot hell. If I had the fucking if Makonda get arrested for one blood clot, they would go for your blood clot company first. With your dirty blood clot workers who push people for commit suicide and prostitute and traffic. And them my blood clot thief. And all them do a grown a top. But yeah, this person a cokehead, this person a crackhead, this person smoke, this person on a blood clot thief, on a traffickers, on a sober. On a sober blood clot traffickers. The Queen of Wands is clarified by the death card, yeah. You think me in a blood clot? No, you know much shit could have happened to me on the phone of blood clot home first place. Pussy home, I don't know who the woman here is, but your blood clot job done. It done, blood clot done. When for shame on the blood clot company. When it's a disgrace to blood clot homeless people and people who want help. And I'm looking on all of your blood clot face. The whole on the face, me a blood clot look upon. Patricia, your eyes, Jamie eyes, Caroline eyes, Justin, the whole on the blood clot face, me only for fucking shame. The whole on for wear blood clot COVID-19 masks. Your blood clot, your fucking company of traffic people as blood clot dishwashing sink. Pussy hole. But the blood, but not have pictures. Watch them with them pictures. I go on like assistant director, Lacey Kerr, Nicole Small, Jessica. Watch them I go on like them a blood clot, good social workers. You don't see blood clot company traffic me as a kitchen sink. I'ma have the pictures for blood clot prove it. Them want to turn around and call people rat. Your blood clot company is the biggest blood clot infestation. Miss Patricia. The Emperor is clarified by the 3 of Pentacles. Yeah. And right after blood clot, Patricia name a James name. So yeah, Patricia the woman, the head woman, James are the head blood clot man. Yeah, James. You know what the fuck you think when I blood clot though. Your company is an abomination to homeless people. Your company push homeless people for fight for house. Your company traffic homeless people and solicit sex from them. They encourage prostitution, right? And not only blood clot that, your nasty blood clot homeless shelters, because I've been in at least 3 home first locations, right? Them promote trafficking. I don't like none of your blood clot members, no staff members. If I could have round up the whole line and put in one blood clot gas chamber, I would. For the fucking abuse and the blood clot put me through. Mother Community Center is winning now. I just want you to know that. I want you to know that home first, Mother. Mother Community Center, home. Mother is looking very strong. Mother is getting better reviews than home first right now. And that is fucking scary because I'm Jewish. The Judgment is clarified by the 10 of Swords, yeah. And the Lover's card, the Gemini, is clarified by the 5 of Wands. And your blood clot staff member have man are coming at the blood clot shelter, come get them here done. Yes, yes, Patricia, your dirty blood clot company. Yes, Jamie, yeah. Man a walk in a blood clot. Man a walk in a all-girl shelter and gone in a basement. Go look for blood clot girl in a bed for blood clot do them here. And that's your fucking staff member though. That's why your fucking staff members allow. Your company are the biggest blood clot disgrace for 2021 to blood clot 2025. I'm gonna give a fuck if you're blood clot like me or not. If me never did a blood clot home first, I would have been somewhere else. I got 3 blood clot location, all on a fucking abomination. One of the biggest blood clot infestation. A nasty blood clot hearted people. I hope your blood clot company shut down, goes under, or everybody here face need to get blood clot replaced. When for fucking lucky men a blood clot work. When for lucky men a mayor. You for lucky men a blood clot mayor. You for lucky men a MP. You for blood clot lucky men a work for the blood clot city. The whole on the fucking location I get shut down. Today. You for fucking lucky men in a politics. You for blood clot lucky men a work for the city. Make me was MP. Make me was mayor. Make me was somebody who I get the blood clot paycheck, like people who are influential. Your blood clot company would have been a target for blood clot me, for shut down first, with your dirty blood clot stuff. I feel a way, I feel a blood clot way. Even so, your blood clot staff member, them treat the old people there. Them traumatize the old people so much, them a piss up them bed. And I tell the old people them say if them piss them bed past blood clot 11 o'clock, then can't wash them sheets. Them have to lay down on piss sheets. You home first. Use the biggest blood clot about. Mother Community Center is winning right now. I just want you to know that. I want you to know that Mother, and you know my history with the Jews. Mother is looking Mother is looking attractive right now. The Jews, they might look better than you right now. And that's scary. It's very scary. Not even Shabbat Shalom. I'm going to leave it here. Until next time, bye.